Hi there, it's Mark Wickersham, Amazon #1 best-selling author of Effective Pricing for Accountants. And in this video, I'm going to share with you something really powerful. I'm going to show you how you can value price setting people up with a cloud accounting system such as QuickBooks Online. This is so profitable. But actually what's interesting from my research over the last few years is that most accountants that I come across are either not offering this service, they're not getting clients onto a cloud accounting system, or they're doing it but they're doing it for free or very low prices. In most cases it's free, and they tell me the reason for that is because we will make up the money in the future with the ongoing bookkeeping work, the ongoing accounting work, but the reality is we never do. So we have to have a better system. So I'm going to show you a couple of ideas on how we can value price setting up a cloud accounting system. But first let me tell you a story. I started working with a lovely lady called Sophia Botchway back in January 2015. And she said to me that she did a lot of this, setting people up on QuickBooks Online. But she didn't know how to price it, so she did it for free. So I helped her create a package, a solution, a system, a structure. And she wrote to me 5 months later, and this was the letter. She said to me that she launched her brand new startup cloud setup service in March of that year, March 2015. And 2 months later, when she wrote this letter, she said that she's just had amazing results from this. She said that the first client she sat down with and went through the process I taught her, it was a brand new client, a prospect. She took them through the process, which included a professionally designed brochure, and she said the client went for the premium setup and paid her over £1,000, which in the past she did that for free. She said the second client that came in was an existing client, and that client again, they went for the full setup and paid an extra one-off fee of £800 for the reviewing of their existing transactions. She went on to say that over the course of those 2 months, she had generated additional revenue of over £7,000 from setting up people with their cloud accounting system that in the past she'd have done completely free of charge. In fact, that's Sophia's story. Just the other day, I was talking to another accountant, his name's Peter Jarman, and he said that he'd been working with me for about 5 months at the time, and he said it's given him the confidence to price more effectively. And he says when he sets people up with QuickBooks Online, he charges, get this, he charges £2,470. And he used to do it for free, he now charges that. He says he has no problems at all because he follows the process I taught him for building up and positioning the value of what we do when we move people from a manual system, an Excel-based system, an outdated desktop system onto a cloud accounting system like QuickBooks Online. So let me share with you some really powerful thoughts on how you do this. And the first one is what I call the magic of 3. You have to recognise that different people value things differently. And so we have to come up with different choices, different packages, different options for different people. And research has been shown time and time again there's a magic of 3. That when we give people 3 choices, very often people pick the middle option, and of the rest, most of the rest choose the most expensive option. In fact, you may remember from Sophia's story, she said her clients were picking the premium or the full option every time, not the essential entry level. So I would recommend that what you do is create a series of 3 different packages. You might call them, for example, your essential cloud setup, your full cloud setup, your premium cloud setup. And it's interesting talking to Sophia, for example, she said that she's now been offering this service time and time again. It's now a very profitable service for her. She says nobody has chosen the cheapest option. She gets 100% success rate, everybody buys, and they all buy at mainly the premium but sometimes the full as well. So she gets prices way better than she'd ever have thought possible. But if she ever came across a business owner that doesn't see the value, she's always got the cheaper option, so people can choose the one that's just right for them. The second idea I want to show you in this video is the concept of what I call chunk it down. And this is incredibly powerful price psychology. What you should try and do wherever possible is not reveal the headline price. That's the total price for the setup. Now, one of the things that people like Sophia do for pricing cloud accounting setup is software. I strongly recommend software because when you have software, you involve the client in the pricing process. And that creates transparency, credibility, trust, and will always get you a better price. So one of the things that Sophia does is she takes them through a piece of software and it gives them the three choices. They can see at a glance what they get and what they don't get, the three different levels. But what it also does is it uses the power of chunking down. And that means we do not reveal the headline price. So for example, the premium level here is coming up at 12 payments of £99, which you could do the math, it's just short of, it's about £1,188. That's the headline price. And that might feel and seem expensive to some people. But by describing it as 12 payments of £99, it feels and seems like a better deal. It feels more affordable. Aside from the fact that you would probably let them spread those payments over 12 months as well. And so one of the things that accountants like Sophia do is she uses payment terms very creatively. So we can see the premium is 12 payments of 99, the middle is 6 payments of 139, and the entry level is 437. And what happens is it creates a contrast between the different levels that makes the most expensive one actually seem like a better deal. 12 payments of 99 with all this stuff seems like a better deal than a single payment of 437, which is a bigger number, with a lot less stuff. And that's one of the reasons, using payment terms and expressing the price, that Sophia tells me it ensures that people don't buy the cheapest one, they upgrade and buy a more expensive option. Now I've created some other videos going into this topic in much greater detail, telling you how to create your brochure, your packages, showing you how you can use software and telling you things like the importance of price points and price psychology. And you can find those videos in the user guide for my cloud pricing software. So if you are already using the software, then go and get the user guide and you'll find in there all sorts of training videos and guidance to help you price much more effectively. Grab that and start using that for pricing, bookkeeping and accounting work. And I will see you on another video soon. Bye for now.